Are your summer HVAC bills too high? Are you looking for a way to get them under control? We can offer some suggestions. Hi, I'm Luke from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I've helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to go over ways you can lower your summer cooling bill. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Regular routine maintenance helps everything. The biggest thing it can do is help the system run smoothly. If it uncovers a part that's wearing out, it can save money on a future repair bill. It can identify small problems that might turn into larger problems if they were left unattended. Thinking about skipping maintenance because your air conditioner is new and trouble-free? Your new AC may be without obvious issues. There are no new sounds coming from it, no puddles near your furnace, and the cool air it's sending through the house feels fine. But each year your AC goes without its routine tune-up, it loses about 5% of its efficiency. That's 5 cents lost for every dollar you spend to cool the house every year you neglect your system. As it gets older, that 5 cents will increase. And don't forget that every manufacturer does require annual maintenance in order to maintain the warranty. Whole home dehumidification can definitely help. An air conditioner is dehumidifying the air as it cools. While dehumidifiers aren't designed to reduce a room's temperature, removing humidity can make it feel cooler and more comfortable. If the air temperature is 80 degrees Fahrenheit and the relative humidity is 80%, then the air temperature feels like 84 degrees Fahrenheit. If the relative humidity drops to 60% and the temperature remains the same, the air temperature feels 2 degrees cooler. As a result, an air conditioning unit won't have to work as hard to make a home feel more comfortable, which should help to reduce its energy costs. This is especially true for muggy homes with tough to cool areas such as second floors. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. A programmable thermostat can help you remember to raise the temperature in the summer from 72 degrees to 75 degrees when you're away from the home. Saving money through your thermostat is going to be based on how you use it. For every 1 degree Fahrenheit you turn up your thermostat in the summer, you'll use about 1% less energy. Energy Star estimates that homeowners properly using programmable thermostats can save about $180 a year. If you want the latest in energy savings, you can switch to a smart thermostat. Most of them will allow you to see your savings with the push of a button or two. Buying a high-efficiency air conditioner could save you the money, but it depends on how you use it. If you have an old air conditioner and you buy a new one and you keep it at the same temperature as the old one, your energy bill will go down with the newer unit. Also, a newer 2-stage model can run a stage that's about 60% of the capacity. This AC will run longer because it can create comfort at a slower speed and better balance and temperatures in the home. It will provide better comfort than a single-stage AC and will save on energy bills. Your home's ductwork is like arteries. It feeds air to every room of your house, and if the system has a performance issue, multiple rooms can suffer. Bad airflow in your ductwork costs you money. Clogged vents and narrow duct paths create hot and cold spots in your home and can also make your air conditioner work harder than it needs to. A thorough ductwork cleaning removes these buildups of dirt and grime, allowing your system to run smoothly and efficiently. A thorough cleaning will address dust buildup on the blower, which will then work more efficiently than a dirty one. It will improve airflow, and if the airflow is better, your AC will be more efficient. A clean filter helps your house in many ways. It will capture most of the dust and bacteria floating in the air, creating a cleaner, healthier home. But a dirty filter will eventually stop catching dust because it will be saturated. The dust that normally would be caught gets past the filter and winds up in the main compartment of your furnace. It can wind up on the blower motor, the blower wheel, and coils. Clean parts mean more efficient system. I hope by now you have a better understanding of how you can lower your summer cooling bill. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We look forward to making your day better.